how do I add a client? To start, we will go to the Client section in the Encore menu. To add a new client, click the Add New button. The first thing to enter is the client's first and last name. Optionally, you can add their gender in the drop-down below. If you know the client's birthday, enter the month, day and year in the birthday field. Adding client birthdays allows you to filter client lists by birthday in some reports and for marketing purposes. The year is optional here. Under Client Category, choose whether you would like to add this client to a category. Check out our other tutorials to learn more about setting up client categories. Add the client's cell number in the cell phone field. If they have another phone number, you can set a label for it and enter it into the other phone field. Enter the client's email address in the email field. This email address will be used when sending emails to the client from Encore. Client notes can be added here. You can also toggle a pop-up to display client notes when checking this client out in sales and when booking them an appointment. If you want to add a profile photo for the client, you can do so under the photo area. If your device has a built-in camera, you can use the Take Photo button to take a photo and save it to the service profile. Otherwise, you can use the Choose File button to select a pre-existing photo. This will allow you to choose a photo in your device's files. Next, we will go to the Details tab at the top. Here you are able to add the client's address, city, state, and zip code if needed. The fields under Sales Stats will populate automatically each time an invoice is completed for this client. If this client receives a discount on all services and/or products, you can enter a discount percentage under Client Discounts. This is usually used for VIP programs or friends and family discounts. In the Preferences area, you can set confirmation and marketing methods for this client. Check off the method of communication that this client prefers to receive. If you would like to set the default option so that you don't have to check this off each time you add a client, you can do so by clicking the System menu option. Once you have entered the needed information for the client, click Save. At this point, the client's profile has been created and tabs will now appear for history, purchases, appointments, and photos. To better explain these tabs, we will go to a client that we have created prior that has appointments and invoices. First, we will go to the History tab. This area allows you to record client service history notes. Some examples of this would be recording a client's haircut preferences or their specific color formula. To add a new history entry, click the Add button. This allows you to set a date and time for the entry, as well as add your notes. Click Add when done. You will notice the Professional Product Usage area here as well. If you have Encore set to automatically record professional product history, this will populate automatically when an invoice is finished for a client that contains professional product usage. If you would like to enable this option, go to the System menu option, open the Sales tab and check off Automatically Record Professional Product History. Next, we will go to the Purchases tab. Here, you will see all invoices that have been completed for the selected client profile. You can view purchases here, grouped by invoice or by item. You are also able to reprint, email or edit an invoice when viewing purchases by invoice by clicking on the three-dot button. Next, we will go to the Appointments tab. Here, you will see the client's past and future appointments. Use the filters at the top to sort the appointments shown here. Use the three-dot button to check appointment edits, view the appointment on the appointment book or delete the appointment. Some of these options may be disabled if the employee accessing this client profile does not have sufficient permission. Lastly, the Photos tab allows you to add client photos. You can use the Take Photo or Add New button to add a photo. If you want to change the profile image to a photo that has been uploaded already into Encore, select the photo and choose the Set as Profile option at the bottom. We have now finished adding a client. Thanks for watching.